How to use the Mini Presso NS, a step-by-step guide. The first step is to pull the cup from the top of the Mini Presso. Next, unscrew the portafilter. Insert the capsule into the Mini Presso. Then, screw on the portafilter tightly to pierce the capsule. Make sure the portafilter is as tight as it can go so the Mini Presso can extract the espresso from the capsule properly. Unscrew the water tank. Fill the water tank with boiling water up to the line. Screw on the water tank. Unlock the piston by twisting it counterclockwise. Pump the Mini Presso to extract the espresso. Enjoy!